In previous lesson, we talked about the difference between motor and generator. That knowledge will help you to understand the regenerative braking. So in this lecture, we are going to talk about regenerative braking and how it works. Regenerative braking. So as you know, while acceleration, power flows from motor to wheels. And while deceleration, power flows from wheels to motor. So as you know, in hybrid vehicles, there are no charging port, external charging ports. So we need something to charge our vehicles. So we use regenerative braking to charge our HV battery so that it can power the motor to for acceleration. So in acceleration, power flows from motor to wheels, and in deceleration, power flows from wheels to back to the motor. During braking, the direction of power is reversed. So the power is flowing from motor to wheels, and during braking, the power will flow from wheels to motor. So basically, the kinetic energy of running vehicles is converted to electrical energy by your motor and by your inverter. So when we applied brakes, the kinetic energy of that vehicle is used to charge the battery. This is due to the negative torque generated by the motor. When braking, power applies less voltage than developed due to the kinetic energy of vehicle. It also allows reverse power flow. Braking is done in two ways. Hydraulic braking, which is your manual car braking like disc brake, and braking due to electrical resistance. These two brakings are controlled by the use of computer so that equal amount of brakes can be applied and the vehicle can be stopped before a desired distance. You can see here, when we apply the brakes, hydraulic brakes are applied and the power from the wheels are taken by the motor or generator, and hence the motor will work as generator to convert that energy into electrical energy, and it will get to power converter, which will convert this AC electricity into DC to store in batteries and hence to charge our batteries. So here the main difference is that your motor will act as a generator. That's what we discussed in previous lesson. So a motor basically takes your electrical energy and give mechanical energy. But here, as we applied the brakes, the energy flows backward. So the mechanical energy will flow to the motor, and motor will now work as generator to generate electricity, AC electricity, which will be converted to DC by power converter and further will be given to battery to charge it. So this is how regenerative braking works. As you can also see here, the wheels are moving, and when the braking is done, the kinetic energy is used, and hence it will be going, power will be flowing backward from the wheels to the your motor, and hence charging the battery. So this is about how this works. So here are some screenshots, as you can see, which will help you. So you can see the kinetic energy is like while like we stop our bicycle by sliding our toes and we get heated up, same the heat energy is converted to kinetic energy, and that is used by the generator. So while pressing or applying the brakes, the wheels produces energies, and that is dissipated to heat energy in your petrol or ice engine. But here that heat energy is converted into kinetic energy, and then it will be going back to the battery. So this is how it works. So this is how regenerative braking works. So basically it has only the one phenomena, that is that kinetic energy of running vehicle is converted to electrical energy by your motor and converter. So this is about regenerative braking. In next lecture we will be talking about the battery management system. So thank you and bye for